Hi everyone, Adnan here with 99 reviews again. We are in the middle of 2019 and today we will talk about iPhone 6s and see if this iPhone 6s is still worth buying in 2019 or not. Firstly, I have been using this iPhone for 3 years now and honestly speaking, I am totally satisfied with the performance of this device. Also, this was the last iPhone with the audio jack, which is a plus point for some people, but some people don't want to buy it because of this. So today we will talk about how great this iPhone actually is in 2019. This phone was much appreciated from its previous model iPhone 6, although the shape and the size was almost identical, but there was a significant improvement in the overall performance of the phone. Powerful A9 chip was used, camera was upgraded to 12 megapixels, RAM was increased to 2 gigabytes, 3D touch was introduced. Hence this phone was packed with a lot of upgrades and that is the main reason it's holding up surprisingly well even after 4 years. 6s comes with two different size options, the smaller 4.7 inch model and the larger 5.5 inch plus model. Specifications are same for both models except 6s plus model has a bigger battery and optical image stabilization. 6s is pretty solid in performance, second generation Touch ID works really fast and accurate, 12 megapixel decent camera allows you to shoot 4K videos and the result is surprisingly good. Talking about the camera, you will be surprised to know that this YouTube video and photos are recorded from iPhone 6s primary camera. Speed-wise, iPhone 6s holds up really well in 2019 and definitely doesn't feel like a 4-year-old phone. Apple A9 chip and 2GB RAM gives more than decent performance and this iPhone is capable of running all the latest applications and games till date. The good news is iPhone 6s will support the most awaited iOS 13 which will be launched soon. Talking about the price, Apple doesn't sell 6s models new anymore, but you can get the used one from the online markets like eBay in a price range of around $150, which is really a good price for a phone with all these powerful features, and it will do a lot better than most of the Android phones in the same price range. So yes, iPhone 6s is worth buying in 2019 and I am pretty sure that it will be supported for a couple of more years. What's my personal opinion? I like this phone. It has a headphone jack, 3D touch and much more. It's solid, super fast and lightweight. If you have a 6s model, let me know in the comments below what do you think about the overall performance of this device. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified when I upload the new content. Thank you again and I will see you next time.